Hello guys, and welcome back to our Vexel art tutorial, and this is part 5 I think. And sorry kung hindi ko memorize yung parts, but you can check out this link tong lalabas sa taas, or maybe you can just check the description below for the complete playlist of our Vexel art tutorial. Okay? At ang gagawin natin ngayon, I have decided to gawin muna or to first start or make the eyes. Gawin natin muna yung mata before the shadows para magkaroon tayo ng idea kung what part tayo nagkukulang. Okay, so we're going to start with the eyes. Make sure that the eyes is above the skin. So gagawa tayo dito ng panibagong layer, Ctrl G, to make a new group which is eyes. Okay, sorry, eyes. Yan. So in this video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng eyes. Mabilis na eyes. I mean, simpleng mata lang. And so make this as base. Okay, so we're going to start with maybe this part. And then let's trace this one. Going to trace this part. Yung base talaga dapat pulido yan eh. Kasi yan, siya magiging kulungan. Okay, is that good? Okay, so I think it's good. So let's change the color to something gray or white. Okay, ganyan. So after that, let's arrange or fix the line art. Paninipisin natin ito. Okay, so ganyan. This part, yon. This part, ayusin na natin yung mga mali-mali natin kanina. I mean yung mga outlines natin kanina. Okay, yan. So let's check. Think that's better. Ayusin ko rin ito just to fit on this part of the line art. Okay. 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 And then ayusin natin tong part na to para hindi siya lumalampas dito. Sorry. Oops, sorry. Ano napipindot ko? Yung line art, ayusin ko lang yan para hindi siya lumampas. Okay, something like that. Now, so we have the base. Ba't iba yung kulay ng base? Oops, sorry. Let's check. But lips pala to. Okay, sorry for that. Ito yung base natin. So what we're going to do is to make yung ito siguro gagawin nating ellipse. So new layer, make sure to add the clipping mask. Okay, alt lang, then click, then ellipse tool. Oops, sorry, bakit yun? Ellipse tool, diba? And then okay, so ellipse tool, holding shift para perfect circle, shift, then bitawan natin. So let's check. Think that's good, and we can notice na medyo may kulang dito. This part siguro ayusin natin yung line art. Baba natin konti. Yon, para mas ayos. And then let's add another layer. Make sure ellipse again, shift. Okay. Yun ako. Kamali ako, sorry guys. Nagloloko na kasi yung keyboard ko. Ellipse. Make sure na nasa ibabaw siya nung unang ellipse natin, and make sure also na mas maliit siya. Something like that. Okay. New layer again, which is the smallest ellipse. Dito natin siya ilalagay. Okay. So let's check and make sure also na magkakaiba sila ng kulay. Usually ang ibang kulay ko is yung nasa middle. Okay. So something like that. After that, gagawin natin is to check the details. Okay, wow. Papalaban na tayo dito sa mata. So, ang gagawin natin is to trace this part siguro. Okay, so this is the middle part, di ba? Yan, the middle part sa ibabaw niya lang. So, siguro, let's trace. This depends on your subject and also depends on you. Kung gusto mo maging detailed yung output mo. So, yan. Trace natin siguro tong parts na to. And then, yan. Okay. And let's change the color. Siguro, let's base na lang the color here. Ito yung mahirap dito. Siguro ganyan. Yan. Then, let's add this is ano kayang pangalan nitong layer na to? Hayaan ko na nga. Wala akong may pangalan. And then, let's trace yung white ng mata. But, let's make sure to combine and above siya nung ellipse na maliit para matakpan. Siguro this one. Ito yung mahirap na part dito eh. And then this. Yan. Okay. Also this part. Yan. Okay. Yan, this one. Then this part. Then this one. Okay, trace lang mga lods. Okay, then let's change the color. Base natin dito. Siguro gawin natin mas lighter siya. Yan. Para siyang bulag. And then, let's add the white part. Ang gagawin natin dito will be darker siya konti. Okay, so something like that yung mata. And then mag-add na tayo nung white niya. Okay. Yan. Ito na yung white talaga. Oops, sorry. Close natin. Yan. And then this part. Okay. Yan, tong part na to. Yan. Then this part. Itong mga maliliit na to. Parang yan. Okay, so I think it's good enough. And let's change the color. Base natin siya dyan. Pero let's make it lighter. Okay. So I think that's better. And then, select natin tong part na to. Add tayo ng layer mask. And then, erase. Ganun din gagawin natin sa ibabaw. And then, dun sa last. Okay, so I think that's better. Let's see. Yan, mas mainam na siya. But let's fix yung yung yan, second ellipse natin. Siguro let's make it more Control Z ni Control T Shift yan. Okay, now let's change yung color nitong nasa ilalim to this, or maybe yan. And then ito naman siguro papalitan natin siya something like that, or maybe i-select natin yan, and then medyo ikon natin, babaan lang natin. Okay, I think that's better. See? Okay, this part ng eye babawasan ay. Okay. Okay, that's good, I think. Ngayon naman mag-add na tayo ng shadows sa loob ng kanyang mata. Let's add some shadows. Let's make sure na nasa ibabaw lang siya ng base. So for example, this one. Yan. So let's trace like that. And then yan. Then let's combine this one. Ang gagawin natin, base natin yung color niya dito sa may base color. Then medyo i-darker natin siya, which is like that, or maybe darker pa. This will add a depth of field sa ating mata. Yan. Then let's add another layer, which is new layer. Ganun din, new layer nga lang, but I think this part should be darker. Okay, then change the color to dapat nasa ibabaw siya. Yan. Something like that. Yan, para magkaroon ng counting depth of field sa ilalim ng mata. Then dagdagan din natin dito sa bandang para mas maganda siyang tignan. Combine natin dito. And then yung ito mabawas, i-reduce natin ganon. Yan. Then ayusin lang natin yon. Yung naunang ano nangyari, layer natin. Yan. Tapos syempre kakalimutan X. Yan. Burahin konti. Then ito add. Okay. Yan. So I think we're done with the left eye. So that's it for this video tutorial mga lods. And gagawin naman natin next is yung right eye niya. So salamat sa panonood. See you on the next video. Thank you so much.